Okay, let's slice into this loaf. I wasn't able to slice into it yesterday, so the crust is not crispy anymore, and it's kind of shrunken in just a little bit like bread will do the next day, but I still want to see how it looks on the inside. Let's slice it right in the middle. Here's our miche. Now that's really what I expect a miche to look like, and I'm real happy with that. That came out really nice. Lovely loaf. That came out beautiful. It's nice and soft. So that's our miche. It's 75% hydration, and it's about 1 kilo and 100 grams. So it's 1.1 kilo.